Hello, this is Siddharth and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. This is 12th video of the series R programming language. I have already created 11 videos as you can see it here. So if you haven't watched all these videos, then I will suggest you to do so and then proceed with this video. So in this video I will talk about vectorized operation. What are the operations that we can perform on vectors? So let us head over to our R studio and do a little bit of coding here. So first of all we will do addition of vectors. So for that, first of all we have to make one vector. So I will make one vector. I will store it in X and I will take vector 1 to 6. And now if we will print this X, then you can see that you will get the values from 1 to 6. So after that, if we have to perform addition, then we have to take one more vector, and for one more vector I will take it from 7 to 12. And now if I will print this vector, then you can see that we are getting the value like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after that we will perform addition, and for that we will simply write x plus y, and it will do element wise addition, as you can see that. So you can see that how here you can see that in x we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in y we have 7 8 9 10 11 12. And element wise addition means this one is added with this 7 and we are getting 8 as a result. After that, this 2 is added with this 8 and we are getting 10 as a result here. After that, this 9 is getting added with this 3 and we are getting 12 as a result. This 4 is added with this 10 and you can see that we are getting 14 as a result, and so on and so forth. So same thing we can do with the help of subtraction also. We can subtract to vector and by using this minus sign. So if you can see, you will see that the element of y subtraction is there, like 1 minus 7 is minus 6, same 2 minus 8 is minus 6, 3 minus 9 is minus 6, and so on and so forth. So this is subtraction. We can do element wise multiplication as well. So you can see it after running this program. You can see that this is x and this is y. So 7 into 1 is equal to 7 and we are getting 7 as a result. After that, 8 into 2 is equal to 16, then 9 into 3 is equal to 27, then 10 into 4 is equal to 40, and then 11 into 5 is equal to 55, and then 12 into 6 is 72. So these are element wise operations. After that, we can do division as well. So just we have to use this symbol, and if we will do so, let me just show you. So here we are having x as 1. It is doing like that: 1 by 7, 2 by 8, 3 by 9. So this is the division. Also we can do real multiplication. How we can do real multiplication? Like we do in matrix. And so for that, well, the one thing that you have to do is just here just write percent. Here just write percent and then into then percent. And now if you will execute this code, then you can see that we are getting value as 217. So what exactly it is? It is nothing but the determinant of these two values, like the determinant of x and determinant of y. You can calculate it and verify the same. So if you want to get determinant, then you have to use this symbol, that is percent, then multiplication, and then percent. In R, this will help you to get determinant. So these are some operations that is widely performed on vector. This is all in this video. In the next video, we will see how we can subset a vector, or we can subset a list. What are the different method by which we can subset the vector list. So stay tuned. Thank you.